Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. School is a place where we learn long-lasting things and have unforgettable fun. In the school, teachers help us to learn a lot of new things every day. They know the best way for us to learn. Learning how to follow directions is very important, which I learn at school. In the classroom, when my teacher gives me directions, I look at my teacher and attentively hear the directions I need to follow. This helps me remember what I need to do. I might have questions about the directions. Then I ask questions by raising my right hand and saying, "Excuse me." If I have enough time, I write down these directions. It helps me later. When I follow directions, my teacher can help me to learn more things. Following directions makes me one of the best students in the class.